How to purchase Steam gift card online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily buy or purchase a gift card online, whether you want to gift a game or load up your Steam wallet. This tutorial is for you, so let's get started. Now, before we jump into the process, let's quickly talk about what a Steam gift card is. Steam gift cards are a way to add funds to your Steam wallet, which you can then use to purchase games, downloadable content, or in game items. You can use these cards for yourself or as a gift for someone else. Now, let's get into how to buy a Steam gift card online. The easiest way to do is by visiting the official Steam website. Go to steamcommunity.com. And simply at the top, hover over store and click on gift cards. Now, if you cannot find it, you can also search for gift cards like this. Now, you can simply uh, redeem a gift card, send a digital gift card. You'll be redirected to a page with a variety of options. Now, here you can choose whichever you prefer. Let's click this. Now you need to simply choose select amount, that is anywhere from $5 to $100 depending on what you need, and you can simply select a gift card. If you once you've chosen the amount, click on it and you'll be directed to Steam's purchase page. Now, if you prefer, you can also buy Steam gift cards from third party retailers like Amazon, Greenman Gaming, or GameStop. These websites sometimes offer discounts or special deals, so it's worth checking them out. Now, to purchase here, simply what you need to do is sign in with your account, and after that, when purchasing a Steam gift card, what you need to do is simply enter your payment detail. Most sites accept credit and debit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrency in some cases. And that's it. That's how you simply redeem a Steam gift card online. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting a friend, it's a simple process.